Hello friends, welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you a simple and very easy recipe of a banana bread which is soft, moist and spongy, and this can go very well with a tea or coffee. But before I start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. So let's start with the 2 ripe bananas. We wanted to make sure that the bananas are really ripe. So mash it up like this with the fork, and to this I'm going to add 1/3 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of yogurt. Now you can also use cream cheese if you like instead of yogurt or curd. Give a quick mix. You can also use a blender if you like, and add 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can also use butter if you like. Now whisk all the ingredients together so they are very well combined. Now keep this aside and we're going to prepare the dry ingredients. So in a bowl I'm going to take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and we wanted to sieve through this. So I'm just going to use 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida and half tablespoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Now we wanted to sift all the ingredients together so they are very well mixed, and we're going to add this to our banana mixture that we prepared. Now we just want to fold the flour into the banana mixture. We don't want it to whisk it. So just gently fold the flour until it forms a batter, like a cake batter. As you can see, it's now very well combined and mixed. Now to this mixture I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and give it a quick mix. And you can also add chopped walnuts if you like, and I'm adding chocolate chip. So just gently fold this. Now take a tin or a bread loaf pan, and I'm going to grease it and dust it with the flour and spread it evenly. And I also lined it up with a parchment paper or baking paper, and I'm going to pour the mixture in. Spread it evenly and tap a couple of times to remove the air bubbles, and bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. So I'm just going to let it bake, and halfway through it's fluffy and rise, and it's almost done. So the banana cake is done. It smells amazing, and I'm gonna check by inserting a toothpick. If it comes out clear, then it's done. So I turned it upside down to let it cool, and look how beautiful the color is. And once it's completely cooled down, I'm just going to slice it. It looks perfect golden and really beautiful. So now it's completely cooled down, and I'm going to slice. I like to slice bigger slices. And look how moist it is, how spongy and soft it is, and it is perfect to go with my coffee or tea. Or you can serve it just like this with a whipped cream. You can just warm it up a little bit in a microwave and then serve it like that. Or you can dip it into the chocolate and make it like a little chocolate, like petite fours, and serve it that way. however you like. This is how all about the banana bread. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.